It's no secret that AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of business as we know it, reshaping the way organizations drive impact at every level. In the midst of all this innovation, what everyone wants to know now is how will generative AI really impact the customer? From automating day to day processes to AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants. AI has emerged as a transformative strategy to improve the customer experience. My name is Mala Anand, and I'm the Corporate Vice President of Customer Experience and Success at Microsoft. I'm here today with my colleagues Daniel Pickworth and Josiah Roebuck to dive into how AI will transform the customer support experience as we know it.
I'm Daniel Pickworth, Strategy and Innovation Leader for Customer Service and Support here at Microsoft, and I'm responsible for the application of technology and innovation in our services business.
Great to join you both. My name is Josiah Roebuck, and I'm a frontline support engineer for the customer service and support team.
Welcome, Daniel and Josiah. We know that embracing a customer centric approach is imperative to staying competitive and growing your business in today's market. And by seamlessly integrating AI across the customer journey, businesses can optimize operational efficiency and automate routine processes. They can transform the customer experience and provide personalized interactions, and most importantly, increase overall business value. So, Daniel, from your perspective, how has the integration of Copilot enhanced the effectiveness of customer service operations?
There are many facets to working through a support case. A support agent must understand and interpret customer intent, find technical information related to the issue, and communicate to customers all in a very short period of time. In each of these steps, Copilot is enabling us to offload some of that work that support engineers have to do manually today. And support engineers often gather information from different locations or tools. And Copilot is enabling us to retrieve this information on their behalf and surface that information right where they're working in the case. The cases require access to technical content and knowledge, and Copilot makes it easier for agents to get that information much faster than traditional search or knowledge seeking tools that they use today. Lastly, Copilot helps agents consistently communicate, helping draft emails and chat responses that are tailored and contextual to the case.
No, that's really interesting to see the impact that we've seen as we've gone through this journey so far. Josiah, what impact have you experienced firsthand with the integration of Copilot AI?
The introduction of Copilot has completely changed the game for our support team and how I do my job as a support engineer. As a support engineer, I depend on quick access to a variety of technical information to help our customers. Now with Copilot, I can ramp up on what they've been through within minutes, allowing me to know what the next steps are in order to give the solution for the customer. By leveraging Copilot, I can also get administrative tasks done quickly, which gives not only myself time back, but it gives the customer time back to do their job.
Thank you for highlighting the transformative impact of leveraging generative AI in our customer service operations. As one of the world's largest support organizations with tens of thousands of agents, Microsoft has absolutely recognized a need to transform our service delivery to provide a more consistent and seamless experience. The application of generative AI to address critical pain points with customer service and support centers has been immensely exciting for us. And now, with Copilot, support agents can leverage AI capabilities, combining the power of large language models with our own organizational data to provide real time assistance to replace previously cumbersome processes. And as you highlighted, Josiah, generative AI empowers customer service agents to swiftly access key knowledge about customer needs and problems. Now, Copilot can also streamline the most complex support scenarios, looking across multiple customer cases and knowledge bases to aggregate information assess the case risk, and facilitate reviews. And to your point, Daniel, I completely agree that by leveraging the power of generative AI to automate routine processes, teams can instead focus on more strategic aspects of their roles and focus on what they excel at, engaging customers to build those relationships. Daniel, in what ways has Copilot been used to enhance the customer experience? Have you observed any measurable outcomes as a result?
Absolutely. In CSS, the range of issues we see is very broad. We see everything from Xbox cases to Azure quantum computing. And one of the biggest ways that we can enhance the customer support experience is resolving issues more quickly with care and precision. Enabling the agent with the right information and context from the start quickly enables our agents to execute on fast, high quality experiences. And Copilot enables us to augment the creation of chats and emails through the support lifecycle. Support engineers can ask Copilot to help craft those comms using context in the case and can ensure that we are showing empathy, consistency, and quality in our responses. In the case of our chat volume, we're seeing a 10+% reduction in handle times with a maintenance of our existing CSAT experiences. This tells us that in chat, we can maintain quality while we work more quickly, helping increase our customers' satisfaction.
Josiah, with the integration of Copilot in the workflow, what positive impact have you seen on customer experience? And how do you strike a balance between leveraging AI for automation and ensuring human touch in customer interactions?
Copilot has been transformative for our support team, allowing us to make timely decisions that cater to our customers' needs precisely. As a support engineer, time means everything, and balancing our time against balancing our support caseload has become much more manageable, ensuring we don't compromise on the quality of our interactions. Copilot is that perfect teammate that's there whenever you need it, whether it's troubleshooting, finding technical knowledge, or just drafting up emails and having conversations with our customers.
That's a great point. Copilot empowers us to connect our people with our customers on what really matters. And it enables new agents to get up to speed and ultimately be able to resolve customer issues quicker and deliver better customer service. Another great point that really stands out that you both touched on is the importance of streamlining access to knowledge, ensuring all employees in customer support have access to the right piece of information at exactly the right time. Rather than sifting through extensive technical documentation, agents can now effortlessly access relevant information in real time conversations. And the result is significant time savings for agents while empowering employees to serve customers with tailored interactions that resonate. So, as a result, customer satisfaction and loyalty are heightened as the quality of interactions improves and individuals feel understood and valued. Both of your insights underscore the importance of embracing Copilot as a tool for transforming the customer experience. And I fully support the notion that enables teams to foster a more meaningful connection with our customers. Daniel, how do you ensure a seamless and a cohesive customer journey across various touchpoints with Copilot? And how does this impact business value?
I mentioned communication as a critical component of the support lifecycle earlier, both in terms of incoming communication as well as outgoing. Copilot does so much to enable continuous and high quality communication. One example I'll mention is how we can use summarization, particularly in instances of highly complex cases. In these instances, cases tend to have multiple technologies, and an engineer will often have to pull in another expert into that case to consult. As part of pulling in this expert, that expert needs to get up to speed and understand the context of the case. Historically, this context is on the engineer to complete. They have to share what's happened, the errors they've seen, and evidence to suggest why they think this case needs the next layer of technical consultative help. With summarization, we can quickly baseline that consulting engineer, and the communication between the two individuals can then be focused on getting to the more nuanced details. This enables the collaboration scenario to happen much more quickly and ensure that we share all of the relevant details during those interactions.
Josiah, how has Copilot influenced the speed and the accuracy of issue resolution in customer service? And has this led to significant time savings or improved service quality?
I can confidently say that the use of generative AI has led to both significant time savings and improved service quality. Microsoft's AI based routing ensures that engineers that are best suited to solve a specific problem get those cases so they can solve those problems efficiently and effectively. On top of that, Dynamics 365 customer service provides a 360 view of the customer, allowing me and my team to better understand the issues they are struggling with and to reach a solution much quicker.
I couldn't agree more that Copilot, with all the generative AI embedded in it, is such a valuable tool for us as we strive to create a differentiated experience for our customers, build meaningful relationships, and deliver better customer care. Personalized experiences not only enhance customer care, but also foster long term loyalty and drive revenue growth. And the ability of AI driven insights to provide a comprehensive understanding of customer needs and challenges is invaluable, saving time and costs for businesses while enhancing service quality. And the speed at which AI is transforming businesses today is unprecedented, presenting an opportunity to really reimagine the way we work in the future. Looking ahead, what emerging AI trends do you anticipate will further shape and transform the landscape of customer service?
In the more immediate terms, the quality of Copilot responses continues to be vital. This means focus on how we prompt and the content and knowledge that Copilot consumes to generate responses is critical. We're focused on tools that enable us to refine and build that knowledge, helping review and produce more content more quickly and with greater quality. Content and the management of content will continue to be key for Copilot's use in customer support. The other opportunity that our organization and frankly every customer service organization benefits from is the ability to connect disparate systems together. Whether that is something like an inventory system into the customer support workflow, diagnostic data, this saves time for engineers and enables a higher quality, more expedient experience. Copilot plugins are an extensible means by which you can connect those systems into the Copilot context. Thinking about future horizons, there are so many incredible technologies we're going to bring to the Copilot portfolio, and we're just getting started.
Absolutely. We envision a future where AI, alongside human expertise, reduces or eliminates the seams in the support experience. And so, by maximizing each customer's interaction with proactive and personalized approaches with AI, we can continue to strengthen relationships, foster loyalty, and drive that long term value. Thank you both again for joining me today and sharing your insights on the future of the customer experience in the era of AI.
Thank you as well. It's been a pleasure.
Yes, thank you very much. It's been great speaking with you today.